Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review this amazing web torrent client which is called Seedr. The entire name is Seedr.cc, and this is a brilliant platform to just get or download torrents right from the web, and you don't need an external torrent client to download torrents anymore. And let me just show you the environment that we have around here on the platform. So this is my account. Right now I'm on the non-premium membership, but you can always click here and get yourself a membership or like a subscription. So these are the plans, you can just check it out. But for now I just want to show you how it really works. So if let's suppose you have a magnet link of any torrent, you just copy it from there and you just paste it in the description box right here. So for my case, I have already copied a magnet link, and if you can see in the wish list, it just shows here. And then if I click on add to Seedr, it will automatically add to the list of torrents that I have here. And it's just going to take some time to collect the seeds, and here you can see that it just did. And if you go further in this, you can just download the torrent however you want. You can even stream the video content from here. So I'm just not gonna play this thing, but I just wanted to show that you can even stream. However, the quality matters. If you have the premium plan, the quality will be HD, but if you're in the non-premium plan, it's still watchable though. Besides that, there's a couple of other options here. You can even upload stuff, and if you want to get more, so initially you'll get a little bit of space, not 5.5 GBs as you see for mine, because I've been using this for a while and I have gradually got more and more space. But you guys will get some initially some amount of space, but as you go and want to increase your space or storage, then you can always go for invite for space here. And if you click on it, you can see there are different methods to do so. So if you do a Twitter or review post, you'll get 500 MBs, and if you do like a small blog post or a personal blog post, again 500 MBs, and then again if you do like a YouTube video review, you'll get 1 GBs. And this is the main reason that I'm making this video. I also want some free space and also want to share this amazing tool with you guys. So definitely try and check it out. It's amazing, and you guys can just download torrents on the go, and this is brilliant. So that was my review for Seedr, and please subscribe for more such content, and I'll catch you next time.